Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up cancel for any reason claim documentation with Allianz step by step clearly. To set up a cancel for any reason claim documentation with Allianz, start by logging into your Allianz account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Allianz website. Once logged in, navigate to the claims section on your dashboard. Here, look for the option specifically for cancel for any reason claims. Click on that option to begin the documentation process. You will need to gather all necessary documents related to your claim. This includes your insurance policy number and proof of purchase for your trip. Additionally, collect any receipts related to cancellations or non-refundable expenses. Now, complete the online claim form provided in the claims section. Fill out the required fields accurately, including your personal information and trip details. Be sure to specify why you are canceling your trip. Attach all supporting documents directly to the claim form. Double-check that you've included all required documentation before submitting. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email from Allianz. This email will contain your claim number and further instructions. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your claim. If additional information is needed, respond promptly to avoid delays. Finally, review the outcome of your claim when Allianz completes their assessment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.